have you moved out from a shadow of being Michael's wife? Is this by choice that you are vice chairperson?
I became a politician before Michael Lobo. Experience it all.
नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां फक्त 2 दिसांचेर आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सव म्हणजे इफी पाविल्लो आसा आनी तयारी जशी तुमी पळयता ऑलमोस्ट फायनल स्टेजीन पाविल्ली आसा. आमच्या बरोबर आज आमी खास वेळ काडून तांकां आपयल्ले आसा ती म्हणजे दिलायला लोबो वायस चेअरमॅन ESG. मॅडम वेलकम.
Thank you.
खूब दिसांनी तुमची मेन म्हणटा ती इंटरव्यू जाता. वी कॅन वॉक स्लो कारण आमचे कॅमेरामॅनाक उलटे वॉक करचे पडटा. फर्स्ट इज दीस बाय चॉयस दॅट यू आर वायस चेअरपर्सन? तुम्ही सांगले की आय वॉन्ट ESG काय?
ना आमकां आमचे चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान आनी पार्टीन ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिल्या and I'm glad they have bestowed their faith in me आणि हे आता आम्ही वायस चेअरमॅन ESG and whatever best I can do in my capacity we are doing it.
ESG म्हणटकर एक कंप्लीट फिल्म कल्चराचे बद्दल आसा, नॉट ओनली अबाउट इफी. यू हॅव प्लॅन्स फॉर दॅट और रायट नाव यू आर जस्ट कॉन्सन्ट्रेटिंग ऑन इफी?
Right now it's IFFI and as soon as this IFFI gets over, my plans are to sit across with CM and under his guidance and his leadership आमच्या गोंयच्या फिल्म मेकरांक कितें आमी बेस्ट सपोर्ट करूंक जाय तें आमी करपाचें चिंतलां.
आता ऑल दीस वायल देर आर कंप्लेन्स की ESG फिल्म मेकरांक तितली सपोर्ट करना आनी जाय तें मेवना बिवना. सो
See, as I said again, let this IFFI get over. म्हाका दिसता आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टरूय इज इक्वली इगर टू सी दॅट फिल्म मेकर्स धाकटे बजट आसूं व्हडलें बजट आसूं पूण तांकां मोटिवेट करतले, तांकां वयर काडटले ह्या फिल्डान जाल्यार सरकाराचो आनी आमचो थोडो बहुत तेको आसूंकूच जाय.
सो दीस गोज एज अ वर्ड ऑन युअर बिहाफ.
येस येस
की फिल्म मेकरांक की इफी जाल्या उपरांत
Yes.
तुमचे टॉपिक घेवन आमी बसतले.
येस येस शुअरली.
गोज एज अ वर्ड. ओके, इफी बद्दल जाले ऑल सेट, तयारी चल्ला, लास्ट मिनिट
Yeah, सगळे you can see around all preparations are in the full swing and I'm sure Goa, India and the world will experience the best EP this year.
लास्ट इयर तुम्ही आयल्ली?
Last year I was there for the opening and closing ceremony.
You are not a film buff, you don't like film watching
I
films?
like watching films, but it should have some storyline. Even if the best of actor
हय.
acts and there is no storyline, म्हणल्यार कितें तरी उद्देश कितें तरी स्टोरी आसूंक जाय, then I love that. I always take recommendations from my friends if they have watched and if they liked it. I see what ratings it has. And then something with a social message, some message or some storyline it should have. Not anything, you cannot bring anything across the table and make me watch.
So Michael watches film? Or
He
Michael?
loves watching. That's the best stress buster for especially people like us who are in politics. You know, just come, sit and relax at home and watch.
First time
Or in theaters.
theaters or home
Yes,
theater?
yes, home theater.
First time MLA, are you feeling stressed?
Not at all. First time MLA म्हणल्यार आमी 15 वर्सां पॉलिटिक्सान आहली. 15 वर्सां आय मीन विलेज पंचायत पार्रा तितून 15 वर्सान थंयसर वॉर्ड मेंबर आनी 10 वर्सां सरपंच म्हूण आहले आनी 10 वर्सां आमचो मिस्टर मायकल लोबो last 10 years he was a MLA, so I know this politics in and out. So this is only extension to the panchayat.
So politics is good or bad?
It is good as far as if you don't take things to your heart. You should learn from your experience and learn to be better. I mean, critics are always there, but when the criticism comes, you should know why they are criticizing you instead of going backlashing on them. learn what they want you to do whatever you can do for the best of society. Anybody criticizes you also, remember they want you to do something, and if that whatever is something benefits the society, then do it.
So now, have you moved out from a shadow of being Michael's wife? Or independently, Delilah Lobo is an independent politician now.
It was always, I became a politician before Michael Lobo
I
could
am
become.
senior to Michael म्हटलेलं तुम्ही.
Yeah, so I handle everything in Sholi constituency on my own, but only when it comes to, you know, some road widening, something beautification. He has his own ideas, then he comes on the field sometimes once in 3 months maybe, and helps me to coordinate with that. Otherwise, everything I handle on my own.
Okay, about ESG. तुम्ही टेक ओव्हर केलं त्यांना. What was your experience?
See, ESG is a new field to me. It's a learning experience, and I'm glad I'm a part of it, and I'm learning.
So was it difficult for you to
No,
understand?
no, not at all. I mean, if आता आम्ही ESG म्हणल्यार EFE is the main part, but with the help of our CM, we have to CMान ते दुसऱ्याच प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सान सांगला की आनीकूय इव्हेंट येवपाचे आहा. येवपाक सी एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा वॉज फॉर्म्ड by our late defense minister, our late chief minister Bab Parrikar, and it has its objectives to see that everything concerning entertainment comes under one roof. So all CMान ऑलरेडी सांगलेले हा एंटरटेनमेंट जितले जातात तितले आमच्या ESGच्या अंडर
येईल ना ते आता सध्या.
yeah, most of them will be coming, and I'm glad I also have CM heading as a chairman.
हे VC पोस्ट आसा पळय आनी किप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. एकटो येता दुसरो वता. फाटल्या फावटी एक दुसरो आशिल्लो तेच्या फाटल्या फावटी. So you think that VC should be one permanent at least for 3-4 years?
Minimum 3 years, I feel. Means that person at least the next year it can he or she can perform better. At least minimum 3 years, or that minimum 3
So
years.
you are looking for next 3 years at least.
I hope so. Yeah.
Okay. Another thing, Film City बद्दल सध्या you are scouting for place. आणि काणकोण finalize झाला, already finalized or?
It's almost there in the final stages, where the Honorable CM has already said that we are on the way to appointing a consultant who will guide us as far as everything is concerned. It's a Komindad land. Again, we'll have to take it on lease for maybe 99 years and get the best in Goa. आता पळय आमची कितलीच फिल्म शुटिंगां हांगा गोंयांत जातात आनी त्या प्रोड्युसरांक तांकां ह्या जागो त्या जागो दुसरे पंचायती कडेन वचून अंडरस्टूड न्हू. सो इफ फिल्म सिटी इज इन गोवा, they will get the best. Film industry will blossom and flourish. Amcha tourism state.
Locals will also get benefited.
So much of employment, and all the students and locals who are interested in filmmaking, they will get a boost. They don't have to go to places like Mumbai or Hyderabad or wherever there are.
It is going to happen for sure.
For sure.
Convention center is going to happen.
But there only, CM has already said, maybe that may be a part of, at the
Film
side
City
of
project.
Yeah.
Ajay. Okay, EP Khatir, are you going to watch movies this time or?
Of
Time
course,
mehna?
I have to, being a VC, I have to be on field. But if I get a chance, I will surely watch whatever can come.
Goanचा Khatir, there are 7 Goan films in it.
Yeah, आमच्या 20 गोवन मुवीज आहली, तितूंतली 7 गोवन मुवीज सिलेक्ट जाल्यात. I congratulate all my Goan filmmakers who are nominated now, and all the 20 filmmakers also. आनी ती बऱ्यांतली बरी पिक्चरां स्क्रीन जातली. सो आय रिक्वेस्ट अगेन माय गोवन्स, please come and watch.
So who's your favorite hero?
My favorite hero is coming, Salman Khan.
Okay, he's your favorite hero.
Yes.
म्हणून आपल्याला इथे
And no, he's a very dear friend of my husband, Michael Lobo also.
Hi.
And
That's why.
Yes.
So what can we expect now for IFFI? सामान्य common man IFFI
कॉमन मॅन इफी हांव फकत एक सांगूंक सोदतां सगळे गोंयकारांक आमचें हें माणकुलें गोंय आनी ह्या माणकुल्या गोंयान आमचो चीफ मिनिस्टर सगळे प्रयत्न करता की बऱ्यांतले बरे इव्हेंट सगळे आय मीन इट कम्स टू गोवा. सो आतां इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया यू नो 20वें वर्स 20th year वी आर हॅविंग इट इन गोवा. आमी खूब जाण गोंयकार अशे आसतले की केन्ना पळोवंकूच ना. प्लीज कम दीस इयर कम. आनी आमच्या ESCच्या ऑपोजिटूच आमचें प्रोमिनाड आहा थंयसर फ्री एंट्री आसतली आनी ब्युटिफूल स्टॉल्स एंड एवरीथींग रिगार्डींग फिल्म्स वील बी शोकेस देर ऑल्सो. येयात तुमच्या फॅमिलीक घेवन येयात भुरग्यांक घेवन येयात आनी हांगा देर इज फ्री एंट्री. मागीर आमची स्टुडंट्स दोज हू आर डुईंग एनी कोर्सीस related to films, related to mass communication, anything like that, you all there is free registration and free entry for them. Entry म्हणल्यार तुम्ही register करूंक जाय. So तेय या तेंची more details you can get it on website. Only one letter will be required from the concerned college that baba ही आमची भुरगीं and they are doing some course related to films. You know, something like
They
that.
can be delegates.
Yeah, they can come under as
Open
delegates.
screening you took in your constituency.
See, it's not taking in my constituency. My constituency is a coastal constituency. I mean tourism.
अंजुना घातलं का?
Anjuna tourism. I mean tourists कितले येतात. So this should not only benefit the Goans but tourists as well. आख्या जगाक कळोंक जाय बाबा इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया गोंया जाता म्हणून. So they can come and watch the best of movies.
So it is not just because of your constituency.
It's not just because माझीच कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जाल्यार हांव आनी खंयच्याय गांवान घालताले बट अंजुना इज चोजन बिकॉज इट्स द हब ऑफ ट्युरिझम इन गोवा.
That is why. And it
That's
should be
why.
permanent venue. आता फुडल्या वर्सा बी थंयच दाखोवचें अशें दिसता.
I hope so. It all depends. It all
At least for
depends.
3 years you are hoping
Yes,
to reach
yes,
there.
yes,
We'll see.
yes.
Okay, देव बरें करूं मॅडम.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
ह्या आशिल्ले वायस चेअरमॅन ESG दिलायला लोक ती म्हणटा की गोंयान इफी जाता वॉट एवर शी हॅज सेड यू कॅन रिवाइंड अँड सी अगेन बट मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट गोंयान इफी जाता सो बाकीचे सगळे राग बी कुशीक काडून दवरा आणि प्लीज कम हियर टू वॉच दीस एक्स्ट्रावेगांजा अँड थिंक येस ऑफकोर्स.
आमच्या गोंयान इफी जाता आनी 3 जाग्यांचेर एट 3 प्लेसीस स्क्रिनींग आसतलें आउटडोर स्क्रिनींग. मिरामार बीच आमच्या अंजुना GTDC पार्किंग आनी रवींद्र भवन मारगांव. सो हांगा स्क्रिनींग आसतलें बऱ्यांतले बरे पिक्चरां हांगा स्क्रीन जातले. थंयसरूय येवचे आनी फिल्म्स हांगाय स्क्रीन जातली आमच्या आयनॉक्स पेंजीम, आयनॉक्स पोरवोरी, सम्राट थिएटर आनी अशोक थिएटर. So please come and to move from one place to another there'll be nice rickshaws and kadamba buses to to go from one theater to another. So I request my Goans सगळ्या गोंयकारांक उलो की येयात आमच्या इफी वेबसायटार वचात ऑनलायन रजिस्टर करात become a part of this celebration and please come and watch the best of movies. आख्खे जगांतले बऱ्यांतले बरी पिक्चरां हांगा स्क्रीन जातली. वाय मिस द चान्स वेन इट इज हियर इन गोवा. ना जाल्यार आमी पिक्चरां ते नेटफ्लिक्साचेर आनी केन्ना येतात आयनॉक्सान आनी बसून पळयतात बट वेन यू कम हियर इट इज अ डिफरंट एक्सपिरियन्स. यू वील बी फिलींग एज इफ यू आर वॉकिंग ऑन द रेड कार्पेट. दिस एक्सपिरियन्स ऑफ वॉचिंग अ फिल्म हियर in Inox Courtyard or some it will be different during this period. So please come 20th November up to 28th of November and experience it all. Thank you.
देव बरें करूं. आनी तशी मॅडम म्हणटा तशी वाय टू मिस अ चान्स वेन इट्स हॅपनिंग इन गोवा. तुम्ही पळयतात गोवा न्यूज अप युअर फेवरेट वेबसायट. कीप वॉचिंग.